Yo, you guys can literally do anything, like, for real. He wants y'all to just have fun. Like, don't even think he's here for real. Like, you know what I mean? Like, do whatever, literally.
Hi guys. Chelsea. So we're at a shoot right now for Raymond's friend Ray.
Which one of y'all said I can't shake that?
So we're at the shoot for Bad Luck Club. And Aisha, floor busy. We're about to shoot right now. We're gonna do like a group picture, and I'm just gonna show you guys what we're doing. I haven't vlogged in so long. It feels so weird. Like,
we work to work, you late to work, I holla and they send it. You know my pride was colder than Chicago in December. My bitch came up in ankle.
we're practicing what we're gonna do when we're taking the picture. The next one could be like this. Yeah, we can all do this. This is like gonna be. And the next one we can all like. Just think like a model. You wanna come with the full handshake? Yeah. Okay, it's time for. Yo, Raymond, you mind recording for me? You mind recording for me really quick?
Was her daddy, and when I'm in the Midwest, she say holla at your family. My dog paid me that cup, taste like candy. My dog out laying the law, ain't breaking none laws, out serving on the rock. Beats outside, still fucking in the car, still flipping in the car, still shooting. Propane outside, bunch of niggas doing dumb niggas. Yeah, got the money in the headlock. Big dog every time we hit the red lights. Just shine, ain't nothing but a good thing. Don't die, they ain't teach him how to pump fake. Big shot, I ain't tripping, I don't wanna lose count.
So we've been here for about like 30 minutes.
Going good though.
Going good.
I thought I was gonna be way more nervous, but like it's not as.
It's actually fun and carefree.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, you don't have to think about it too much.
Yeah. Oh, do you see how vibrant green is? I'm obsessed. We want one.
I'll talk to you guys when we're taking individuals because I gotta charge my phone. It's okay. Are you sure? How are you feeling?
Okay. Welcome back to my vlog, yeah. This is my photo.
It's yours. My vlog.
I want to who?
You wanna be my vlog?
Oh, you're blind.
You're vlog. You vlog. You feel me? I'm not looking right now. I'm looking like in the
Like the length she did my hair, by the way, just like I didn't chill. I had to.
They still look good though.
Yeah, word. I was thinking.
Shit, it was just us, bitch. Fuck it up, drive, hop in my ride, pay me that Dutch, bitch. On the west side, on the 110, swinging my nuts. Yeah, my bitch. Fuck it, let's grill, fuck it, let's spill, spin a few crumbs. Pop smoke, pop shit, pop bitch, young nigga don't pop too much. Spaceship, fake broke, Kanye, young nigga don't stay too long. Big truck, big deal, big rock, them niggas probably hate my guts. Tryna gain my trust, but it's all out lust.
Not beyond my. Tell them this. I can't really see what did I miss. Ex strippers, new killers.
Tell them. This on Donda.
Oh my mama, I think it's been about an hour and a few minutes now that we've been here. We're having a good time. Are you enjoying yourself?
I definitely am. Are you?
I am. I'm having such a great time, you know.
My big ass hair.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I love yours. I love your colors. You did it wrong. You're good?
Big shot, rollin' with them, let the propane. Outside, bunch of niggas doing donuts. Yeah, got the money in the headlock. Big dog every time we hit the red lights. Just shine, ain't nothing but a good thing. Don't lie, teach you how to pump fake. Big shot, bitch said that I'm a cool cat. Fuck that, tell them bitches I'm a top dog.
3, 2, 1.
Big shot.
I'm thugged out, nigga, but I just seen a motherfucking rainbow, nigga.